Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies without butter. First, let's explore some fantastic alternatives. You can easily substitute butter with vegetable oil, applesauce, or even mashed banana. For instance, if a recipe calls for 1 cup of butter, you can use 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil instead. Applesauce and mashed banana work wonderfully as a one-to-one replacement, adding moisture and a subtle sweetness to your cookies. These simple swaps ensure your cookies are delicious and moist. Now, let's get our wet ingredients ready. In a large bowl, whisk together your chosen butter substitute, like vegetable oil or applesauce, with your sugar until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Next, crack in 1 large egg and add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Make sure to beat these ingredients thoroughly. This step is crucial for creating a smooth, well-combined base that will contribute to the perfect texture of your butter-free cookies. Moving on to our dry ingredients. In a separate medium-sized bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a small pinch of salt. Once these are well mixed, gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients. Stir gently until everything is just combined. It's important not to overmix the dough, as this can lead to tough cookies. A few streaks of flour are perfectly fine. Finally, it's time to bake these delicious treats. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your wonderful butter-free cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.